Meghalaya. Ka Pynshngain ha ka imlang salang ningkong baro ki jingeshan by bam lingba ka social welfare ansakan tiu sha ka siaja tingka shibnai kata kalong khat arja tingka shisnem
hakane ka apnyo trek urempang Shanya ka sharp jong phi haki artli kisentiu bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
Karibhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society kalapan pau baka dap da kamen sem ka bakamen hadin ba usamla king lieng Pynshngain Kurbah ulala abanyale kai bha tadhadu ba unda yo ban khorya ka takma rupa na ka iakob king lieng jong ka lumpung yele kai Khelo India Youth Games kabalalong ha ka wa sahastra dhara ka bah Maheshwar Madhya Pradesh ha ka sanbat ka hendreu terek menta upanai rempang Yakni kejing iakob la penyat da ke Indian Kayaking and Canoeing Association. Hagani kejing iakob ke Meghalaya karayo ya ke kabuk siar ban say la ke kinhon ya lek kai hagani ke lempung bat nalor Pynshngain da yo ban mikmat ru da ubat scam. Pynshngain Kurbah ula khur ya ke takma rupa kejing iakob kingling jong ki bakat pras nem kerta ha ka ba ulala ban pendep ha ke kendai pupra point lai iway not na ke canoe slalom. Habaya day bat kani na kaliang coach ka Meghalaya Ian Vincent ula penpau begini ki arngot ki samla ki day ki ba ula hikai ban pentebit yaki hakawa umtro bat udah sngau komen ba Pynshngain ulala ban yo bat ru ban khursundan ya katakma rupa na kani ka kenti ulala ban yo khursundan ya katakma rupa hagni ka kenti hakaban leyakun ya ka Khelo India.
My name is Ian Vincent. I'm the coach of the Meghalaya canoe slalom team, which has just returned from the Khelo India Youth Games in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. And we're very happy to announce that our paddler here got the silver medal. Will you introduce yourself to them? What's your name?
My name is Pynshngain Kurbah.
My name is Khelo.
Okay. So he's from Wanrah in Riboy, and Bachkim is from Umtam village, which is nearby. And they train on Umtu River down there. And we're very happy to announce that Lung has got that silver medal in a very tough competition. It was actually on the Narmada River, 5th and 6th of February. At a place called Maheshwar, just outside of Indore, on the Whitewater Rapids. It was a very tough course and some very hard competition, but by God's grace, he was able to get second place, get the silver medal for this state. So it's something we're very proud of, and we are looking for a good future for the sport here in the state and for good development. We'd really like to thank those who have supported us, and especially Dr. Vijay Kumar, AIS Commissioner for Department of Sports and Tourism, who has been really behind us all and made this trip possible, and we have to really give him a lot of credit for it, for his support. Well, a lot of effort, yeah, a lot of time.
Since it's a new sport, so you introduced to
Yeah, Pynshngain been, how many years you been paddling?
4 years.
4 years he's been training. And this year he really increased, before the event, really increased the training a lot.
Is there any stipend given to them for participating in Khelo India?
Apparently something will come, yes. But so far nothing has come yet.
Only from the government side, you get aided from the government side?
No. So far we have not, but apparently something, because he won the silver medal, he'll get something.
Iakob leading pong ka sports department. Hawag adla kamla ban yarap full finance ma yakini khana. At least kan yat khansat kala yarap shibun yaki bakin mi ma naka finance te ngisham pikna kidang ya thamai takanda moy panlo ba pri ban mi ban kren. Nre kisham janjar bha po shnong te karpat mo le say ni la tri shitom ni khna chungi kanika sports kadang de ka bathamai te langba kanika social media nga terpat ma bakin mi syakman ya say ka sorkar kampat shania fully ya kan ni ka sports namar ka ba kadang dei ka ba thamai bat bon na ki kim patip ya kan ni ka sports te lengba ka jing job jong iwei na ki khna jong i let's say kan ai kata ka jing sngan ya ki wei pat bat kumju nga karpat mai ki khna ba kin mi shakmat banwan ni ai bun ha ki training let's say hadu mentang im pat shim ya ta ka by training engidang ai free ki tiaro ngi ai pendon kam free ya ki te ba khamtam ki khna samla ki bamdon kalat ban puli te ngi karpat kin wan shakmat kin wan ban shim ya kan ni kalat ka kabu ka bangi ai ha poshnong te ngi shem ma ki khna bun ba ki wan ki de ki khna ki ba wan ka yeng ka sam ka baduk te ladangi khot training ya ki bun ki bertia ya kata ka jing bala jung ki kim yo kalat ma ki namar ngidon kam bun kan ta ha ban training ha ban hikai ban practice te ki yo la tang shipang te wat la Pynshngain yo de khna school wa habbe ka jing puli te yo shipang arphang por ban un practice te wat la kataru la le stom ha kini ki sausnem la practice but ula wara at least something ma for the states te ka long ka gas jing sung sarong dengan karpat mak barit ya ka sarkar le sela ban yarap kum ken jas stipend ai bahkan penslur ya kiwe pat ki khna le se ki bawan khamtam na ka yeng ka baduk mar ba sin ba ki lawan ban practice ki do ya ka jing tre ka jing bala jong ki le se yo le ki dei maki ki ba bela mo hayeng te kim la ban ai full time ya ka ni ka practice ya ka ni ka training te sakawai ro nga karpan mo ka kiwe ki khna ki ba shim banta ha ka ni ka Khelo India na kawai ka states ki yo shibun ha ka jingiram kumbenta ki ba job ki yo cash mo shibun ban penslur ki te le se nga karpat ya ka sarkar jongiro bakan le ai na ka banta jong Pynshngain bala Wanrah kata ka nam job ban kum ka ban penslur le ne ban motivate ya u bat kumju ya ki wairo bakin wan khmat ban shim banta ha ka ni ka jingle kai
Meghalaya ka Pynshngain ha ke imlang salang ningkong baro ki jingeshan by bam lingba ka social welfare ansa kan tiu sha ka shiaja tingka shibnai kata ka long khat arja tingka shisnem
Hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang Shan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC